Let's do this. Former President Herbert Hoover said that though I was in no way personally responsible for the 1929 stock market crash, I have the deepest sympathy for the millions who are now ragged, hungry, and homeless.
Ragged, hungry,
Homeless!
Today we're living in a shanty. Today we're scrounging for a meal. Today I'm stealing coal from fires. I knew I could steal.
I used to winter in the tropics.
I spend my summers at the shore. I used to throw away the paper. Please don't anymore. We like to thank you, Herbert Hoover, for really showing us the way. We like to thank you, Herbert Hoover. You made us what we are today. Prosperity was round the corner. A cozy cottage to look forward to. And this blue heaven that you gave us, yes, we're turning blue. Think over yourself, Sid and Hoover. We paid attention and we chose. Not only did we pay attention, we paid